So I finished watching Cyberpunk Edgerunners. I haven't even played the game yet. My brother played it and he said he loved it. So there's that. What's good, everybody? Your boy Silas back with another reaction. It has been a minute, so this is the second one after a couple months. We got ourselves Fabvl. Now, I have watched the show Edgerunners, so now I can actually dive in and see what all these Edgerunner tracks are about. Starting with Fabvl, and then we're gonna work in, see what we got next with, I think DBS did one. I think McGuire did one, and I'm pretty sure there's a few others that did one. I'm not too sure, but I'm pretty sure there's a lot. So that's all I'm gonna say. Slap on the apparatus, and let's dive in. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think. Oh, and I'm back at work now, so now that I'm back at it like a crack addict, I can make money and buy myself some Fabvl merch, because it's been a minute, and I said I was going to do that, and I still haven't done it. I feel so bad, man. But at least I bumped up my anime shirts. Of course. Of course! What do you expect from Fabvl, man? It just never changes with him. He always brings in the heat. Like, holy bro. My space and optimizing storage is almost full. Cool. That doesn't affect my reaction. Anyway, produced by Bloodgums. So wait, this beat wasn't made by Fabvl? But still, holy shit, man. Still, always, I love the music that he brings, the beats especially. We all know this. We all know this. Oh, I just saw that reference there. Okay, with the moon, right? Moonwalker. Okay. Of course, it's with Jay. Yep. I'm running away. The city doesn't sleep much, and I'm in a day. Okay, so when he goes slow and soft, you know he's gonna go in hard after a few bars. I've had enough, I think I'm losing control. I'm mighty rough, feel it taking a hold, yeah. Tell me who's gonna stop me now. I don't need anyone to save me. I'm not on my own. Curse my name and you smash my bones, try to break me. Watch me lose control. Hold on a second. Let me go back. Not this one. Thank you, this one. Thank you, this one. This part from here. Just the way he executed that part, it sounds very familiar. Obviously not the words, it's the the style, I guess. No, we all know that Fabvl's favorite band is Linkin Park, so maybe I'm thinking of a Linkin Park track. It's the vibe. Ah, man, doesn't matter. I don't even care about that. It's just, it's fire. I love it. Okay, I get it. Okay, see, now this track can give not any anime vibes, but unless you watch the anime, then you can understand the Moonwalker reference.
I've been on the edge, so I'm going insane. The city doesn't sleep much, and I couldn't wait. I'm not enough, not enough.
I live in the back.
Giving up,
Verse 2? Oh yeah.
tell me who's gonna stop me now. I don't need
No,
anyone
that
to
was
save me.
whoa! I want to watch that again. That was sick.
Stop me now. I
No
don't
way,
need
that was dope.
anyone to save me. I'm not on my own. Curse my name and you smash my bones. Try to break me. Watch me lose control. One more piece and I might be whole, yeah. Everything to take, nothing left to prove. Please don't make me wait.
Oh man, JF loves his clocks, man. I swear. There's always a clock in every one, bro. I swear. But I swear, I think the clock. Now I think I'm starting to get it. Putting the clock in some of these tracks is a reference to a beat drop or something like really sick about to come out. I swear. I recognize it. See? I knew it. I swear I did not watch this. Okay, I swear, and I did not listen to this. I swear, I'm not.
I'm the man, bitch, I run my fucking city. Came straight from the gutter, now these hoes are fucking with me, goddamn. I'm the man, bitch, don't hit your fucking head. Famous on the king, let the river will forgive me.
Move.
Fuck yeah, that's what I'm talking about, boys. That's what I'm talking about.
I don't need anyone to save me. I'm not on my own. Curse my name and you smash my bones. Try to break me. Watch me lose control. One more piece and I might be whole, yeah. Everything to take, nothing left to prove. Please don't make me wait. I don't wanna lose.
Another clock. That must mean something, man. I swear.
Let me be your moonwalker.
Fuck's sake, man. Jeez. Do I even have to say anything to this? I think we figured it. I think I found it, boys. I think I found it, ladies. Ugh. This is the one. I think this beats all of his tracks. This is definitely his best track. Under My Skin, I Love You. But you're past. Moonwalker's number one. I'm sorry. This shit was not shit, but super fire. Let me know what you guys think. I'm pretty sure this is a 10 out of 10. I'm sorry. Hold on. No, let me say that's right. 100 out of 10. You tell me what you think. In the description, this track will be linked.